Zen's Ceremonial Japanese Green Tea. It is matcha. If you haven't tried matcha, then you are missing out. Every tea connoisseur has their own type of matcha, their favorite vendor. And here at Zen's Tea House, we only get our Japanese green tea from organic farms. There are many videos on matcha, how it's grown, its antioxidants, how it's used as health masks and baked goods. But Zen's Tea House, we have a very simple way of doing things, an easier, softer, more relaxed way. We only use matcha. There are no additives, there are no flavors. We don't do vanilla matcha or a chocolate matcha. The closest thing we have is a matcha mixed in with collagen, which if you want to try, it does taste good. And the ladies who've tried it out, and men, have nothing but positive things to say about it. Our matcha can be used in different drinks, lattes, and baked goods. If you like to try Zen's most popular green tea, matcha, please go to our website, www.zenstea.com, and take a look at our matcha page. While you're there, please take a look at our list of organic teas and herbs. We specialize in botanical medicine, but it would be incomplete if we didn't talk about Zen's most popular green tea, our Japanese ceremonial matcha. Try yours today. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below, or you could call us or email at info@zenstea.com.